We need some sweet stuff to put on our pancakes and our French toast. Check out that imitation that you've got in your pantry or your refrigerator. You might want to just move that out of your kitchen. They start at 210 milligrams for a quarter cup. Costco, pure maple syrup, 1 milligram for a quarter cup. At my store, the pure maple syrup ranges from 1 milligram to 10. Either way, it's something we can use. Smucker's has syrups. This one's strawberry, and that's the only one that I have because this is what Johnny likes. No sodium for a quarter cup. They have other kinds too, other than strawberry. I know this is not syrup, but honey has no sodium. We just gotta put unsalted butter on there before we put the good stuff on it. Now you can enjoy your pancakes and your French toast.